In this video we will be creating a first Angular component. Now going to the terminal, here going to my terminal cd hero app, and in here we will run the command ng generate heroes component, ng generate component heroes, or even you can write it as nggc heroes, and here it created our folder heroes in which there are 4 files: heroes component.ts, heroes.spec, hero.scss and hero.html. Now we want to render this app heroes component in our Chrome screen, and for that we need to first put it in the app.component.html. So here we will write here app heroes tag, that is this tag, this selector tag we will write here. We will write this tag in the app.component.html, and in the app module.ts you can see there is the import statement, and in the ng modules declaration here is the heroes component, because when we run the command nggc or ng generate component, it get automatically declare here. Now we can see on our Chrome screen that the app hero component start, and in the Chrome screen we can see here we can see here heroes work. This is from the app component, and we can inspect it here from where it is, and here we can see this is from the app heroes component. Now in the next video we will see how to display the data.